What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Be sure to give this video a like, because today, as you can see, we got everybody in the car once again, just like 2 weeks ago. But this time, we are going to look at a Saab. This one might need a little bit of rebuild and some TLC. But other than that, it looks to be like a good, beautiful car. It's a Saab 9.5 2008. The guy selling it had a little bit of a wreck. And let's check it out. We might buy it. We're gonna go check it out. I might film depending on his position on the filming. So I'll keep you guys in tune. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are waiting for the owner of the car, but this is the Saab we are looking at. Really doesn't look too bad. Well, let's see. Oh, that's pushed in. We've seen worse, guys. I mean, we've definitely done worse damage on this Saab stuff before. Inside looks pretty nice. A little wear on the leather. Let's see. I don't know about this one, boys. Let's see what turns out, how it turns out. All right, so tell us the story. What happened with this guy?
So essentially, I was studying all night, and I decided to stay up all night and then go to class the next day.
Okay.
Fell asleep driving at 25, and then hit behind a Buick. So.
Okay. And you were just doing about 25?
Yeah.
Does that hood open?
It does not, because the latch that comes up right here is pinned against where is it? The frame that holds down the radiator.
Yep, the radiator support.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the radiator's slightly bent, which can be rebent back into.
I was gonna say, did it crack? Did you drive it home?
No. Yeah, I was able to drive it home.
Okay.
Power steering.
Yep,
went.
the fluid. Yeah, the hose is right there.
Yeah, it's all connected down here, as you know.
Okay.
So that went. So it's really rough to drive.
Sure.
The battery just recently died, like last month, because I haven't been using it since this accident happened in February.
Okay.
Like January-ish. So I haven't used it since, and I've been working with my dad.
Sure.
So I've just been taking rides with him every day.
Awesome.
So that would explain the flat and the dead battery as of now. But
and how is the engine and everything?
Engine's perfect, runs well.
Okay.
Doesn't run right now because of the problems.
Sure. All right. How long have you owned it?
I've owned it since last summer, August.
Did it have any other accidents on it or no?
No.
You bought it locally in Jersey here?
Yeah, I know the owner personally.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
How long did they have it before you?
They had it for like 5 years, 6 years.
Okay.
They owned a business down in the Bahamas, so
they took well care of it.
Yeah, and it just sat in the driveway, so that's the reason why I picked it up.
Yeah. Is this open, this trunk here, or is that just the way it?
It opens because I'm trying to file a lawsuit with the original people who towed the vehicle, because when they towed the vehicle, they hooked onto the rear end floor.
Right.
They're horrible.
So they bent the bottom there?
Yeah, but I talked to like an Indie dude. He said that you can solder it and it shuts, and that he can have this be pulled up so that it hooks in normally.
Okay, lift this up.
Yeah. So that's the damage on that.
Got it.
So unless you could bend the rear end floor back in shape, that's open. Or if you can get like a plate of metal to seal that.
Yeah.
To prevent any further,
Okay. Damn.
Yeah.
That's a game changer.
Yeah. But
how long is that?
Trying to get rid of the trans or just sell this thing for parts. I don't really care. Yeah.
I mean, I'd give you $100 for it.
That's a big loss.
Yeah, but there's a lot here to do to get this thing right. A couple $1,000. body work. You got some structural damage. Yeah, man, that's where I stand on this. I'd take it off your hands for that. How many miles are on it?
130, about 130 to 140.
Okay.
It has a brand new trans. That's why you're killing me right now. $100. That cost me 4,200.
Yeah. No, I know. I've been through a couple of transmissions and myself, so I know.
I just had that rebuilt in December, so there was about 400 to 700 miles on that. That's why that's not easy for me to let go of.
Okay. Well, let me know. Think about it. I'm local, so I'm not too far. 15 minutes.
The best you can do?
Yeah.
Cash.
Yeah.
Let me ask my dad.
See what happens here, boys. All right, guys, so we're gonna make a deal pretty much. We're just waiting for all the paperwork, and this is gonna be for my dad. And so my dad's gonna be the one that takes this car once we get it back on the road. So stay tuned, guys. We'll give you guys a lowdown here in a little bit. All right, everybody, I had to go back into this video and re-edit the ending of this because I wasn't sure if we were gonna actually solidify the deal. But the deal has been solidified as of this morning, and tomorrow we're gonna go and pick up and take delivery of this 2008 Saab 9.5. The negotiating phase there was pretty brutal, and but it all worked out. Kid's father was a little weirded out by the camera, doesn't understand the YouTube stuff, so I limited some of my filming towards the end on the handshake, but we did shake on a deal. All he needed to do was find the paperwork, the title, and all that stuff, and he did. And now, car's gonna be ours. I'm gonna be saving that Saab, and I'm pretty excited about saving it because it's a nice car, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna hold on to this one through the winter. My father needs a winter car, and what better car to have than a 9.5 for the winter? You have the best heated seats and the best heat in the business that Saab has ever produced, and of course Saab is, as everybody knows, is built for the snow, built for the season of winter, and should be perfect. It's the damage. I've already found a parts car. I'm hoping it all works out to really keep the budget of the build. If not, I'm gonna have to go to a junkyard and pay probably more premium of the parts. But from the looks of it, when we looked at the car there, the radiator and all that stuff looked to be intact. The only thing that we needed to worry about was the power steering hose. The other thing I look forward to checking out once I get that hood open is the turbo, to make sure that it wasn't damaged when everything got pushed up. But listen, the radiator didn't crack, right? So if the radiator didn't crack, that means it didn't actually do too much damage underneath, because the radiator obviously is a fragile component. So if that didn't crack, I suspect it should be good. If you guys have been following the channel for the last year, we've rebuilt the 9.5 like similar to this twice. And the other thing is the damage in the rear, that seam that was split open, also something that we're familiar with. I suspect I'll be able to clean that up, push it back together, spot weld it, get some seam sealer, and it should be good. You know, get the trunk lid to secure and make it good. That's it, guys. I look forward to saving this. This car looked good from the pictures. It's got a brand new rebuilt transmission that we talked about earlier in the video, so that's a bonus. Obviously, these engines are pretty bulletproof if they're well cared for, which I suspect this thing should be fine. And all in all, pretty excited. It's definitely a worthwhile car to save. Based on the damages, seeing that thing get parted out would be a little bit disappointing. So I'm really happy I got my hands on it, and the car's local, so why not? So stay tuned for more, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, give it a share. Follow me at Kyle Pancis on Instagram if you guys have any questions or concerns. You want to reach out to me, I'm happy to chat regarding the Porsche, regarding Saabs, whatever it may be. Just cars in general, obviously always happy to talk shop. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next video. Talk to you.